Today we're going to be replacing this boob light with an LED one we got from Costco. But I wanted to pull one down just so you guys can kind of see a little bit better, kind of close up. So this is a boob light. It's usually up on the ceiling, but I've taken it down for demonstration purposes. But first and foremost, I'm not a licensed electrician. I've just been shown how to do this, and now I'm handing it off to you guys. So please be careful. Make sure that you turn either the breakers off or the light switch off. Hopefully there's no power to it. I have been shocked several times myself, so let's get moving forward. So this is your boob light. We're just gonna take this nipple off, or the nipple piece of the boob light, and make sure you keep all your parts together, that way you don't lose anything. Take this lens off. You're gonna wanna unscrew your light bulbs if this isn't apparent. Sorry to be redundant. But then you're gonna need a screwdriver or a drill, and you're gonna wanna unscrew these. There's usually screws in them poking out from the other side. Let's see if we can demonstrate that really fast. So they usually look like that. And so when you unscrew them, you're able to shift that around, and then you can pull this light fixture down. When it's like this, you're gonna be able to pull these wires and kind of shift this whole light fixture down, and then you're gonna wanna separate the wires. So I like to take off the black wires first because that's your hot lead, which means that's the one that has the power. You can get it down and out of the way as soon as possible, and then wire nut it back up. So it's gonna look kind of like this. You're gonna take and separate them. Everything else is still wire nutted, so pretend these are still wire nutted. We're not dealing with those. But you're gonna wanna unwire nut it. You're gonna take that wire nut off and then pull them apart separately. So just, you can pull gently, and then they're gonna be kind of twisted. We're gonna put the wire nut back on the one that's in the ceiling. We're just gonna wire nut that back up. I'll show you that in a second. Then you're gonna do the same thing with the white and the ground. The ground wire may actually be screwed into a green screw in there. If not, it's probably a wire nut. You just unwire nut that. If you want, you can put the wire nuts back on the wire nuts, or the wires that are coming down from the ceiling. That way you're not in any kind of electrical shock hazard. Now we got this light from Costco. It was 20 bucks. It's an LED, which means we won't have to replace the lights for a long time, if ever. They said like 20 years. So we're gonna take this lens off really quick, hopefully. Came off better in the last video, but we screwed it up, so we're filming again. So that's the lens. We just counterclockwise, and it should fall off. So that's the lens for this one. And these are the lights, so they're tiny. They're not gonna heat up like these old ones. These are 120 watt lights. And this light fixture actually uses 21 watts. So we're using less power. We're being more efficient. We're saving money. We're gonna sell these old lights for hopefully close to what we bought these for. That way we're not out any money. But you can see these wires are they're not perfect, right? So you're just gonna wanna pull them together and then twist them so that they're ready to go in that wire nut and they're as strong as possible. So when you spin them like that, they become stronger. And then you can put the wire nut on them simply. So what I do first, when I bring this light fixture up the ladder, I'm actually gonna put the wire nut in here first and hold it like that, and then bring this up to wherever that other wire is, and I'm gonna screw it in there. That way you're not having to try to hold the light fixture and fumble around with everything, trying to get the wire where you need the other one. And it's just a lot better if you can kind of set yourself up for success before you get up there. So we're gonna spin these up together and make them ready so that when we go up, we're ready to go. So I think that's pretty much it at this point. We're gonna take this stuff up the ladder. That way you guys can kind of see the rest of the process. So I kind of gave you guys the gist. If you want to stick around for the rest of the video, be my guest, and we're gonna put this light fixture up. So as you can see, I've already got this one taken down part way. That way we're not spending time viewing the same thing over and over. So let's just jump right into it. Like I said prior, we're gonna kind of pull these wires down and apart like that. We're gonna separate them. So this is your white lead, this is your black lead. We're gonna unwire nut it, so counterclockwise. So we got the wire nut off. We're gonna pull the light fixture wires and the wire from the ceiling apart. And sometimes they're spun together, so you got to unspin them. Yep, just like that. So we can, as the drill falls, we can put the wire nut back on that if we want. If you want to be safe or super safe. Then we're going to do the white one. Again, counterclockwise. Should get this guy off of here. Yep, perfect. And then same thing with the ground. And sometimes you can just pull just like that. Take that one. Should not have put this lens back on the light, but that's okay. We know what we're doing. So like I said before, I usually take that wire nut and I put it on the black lead so that when I go up, I kind of stuff the wire into the wire nut where it's going to go. And you want it as deep as you can, because with electricity, you want the best current possible, which means you don't want any kind of short. So you just, when that goes up, you stick that in there and you actually stick the other wire right into that wire nut and start screwing clockwise. And then screw it until it stops screwing. If it's in tight, that wire fixture should actually hang there. So we got a good connection. This light is going to work. You don't actually want to hang it from the wires, but if you really want to test it, just kind of tug on it once it's in that wire nut. And we're going to put those together. Same thing with the white as the black. Same thing with the ground. You're just going to want to twist them till it stops twisting. Make that connection as tight as possible. I dropped a wire nut. So we're going to put this wire nut on the ground as well. Pretty simple, straightforward. Back in the wire nut. Back onto the wire. And remember, if the light's off, the power should be off as well. If you're superstitious or if you want to be super extra safe, you could turn off the breaker from the breaker panel. And then we're just going to stuff these wires up in the outlet box so that they're out of the way. We don't want to pinch any wires when we screw this up, otherwise we could cause an electrical fire, and we don't want that. So make sure they're all up in the box, out of the way from everything. And then those two screws up in the ceiling are going to go into this light fixture. So we're just going to eyeball that up and screw it in. Just like that. Spin it. Grab your drill. Tighten those screws up. And so your light fixture should be snug. It shouldn't be trying to punch through the wall. You shouldn't be able to move it. And then we're going to put this lens on. So this lens just goes straight up and then spin it clockwise until it stops. Just like that. Turn the light on. And that's how you change a light fixture. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.